Hello, Ben Collingwood here, Athena's Ben. Welcome to this demonstration of the Bar app. So the Bar app is for bars, cafes, restaurants, you name it, to allow their customers to be able to order their products in a COVID-19 compliant way. This app is currently in beta and I'm looking for some input from either current coders, developers in terms of code improvements, but also restaurants, bars, cafe owners, managers to show me any sort of tweaks, improvements that they'd be looking for if they were to implement this on their system. This is completely open source. I will add the GitHub repo URL into the description of this video. I am also looking for work in the development area, particularly around anything to do with JavaScript, full stack JavaScript development, Node.js and React. So please do get in touch. Right, so the Bar app. So this app is split across 3 different views. We've got the administrator view for managers, owners to add and edit their products that appear on the customer view. We have the customer view for customers to be allowed to actually add things to their basket and then check that out. And then we have the bar staff / restaurant server view for those orders to go through and them to be prepared and served. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll take a look at the customer view. So here it is, just placed an order. We'll have a look at this. So currently we've got 3 products. We've got some cider there, some house red wine, some house white. We don't have any beer. So to add beer, what we need to do is go back onto the administrator view and log in. Do that. So we are. So here we can see our products in here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new product, and let's just add a great beer. Let's make that look nice and neat. This is the title. Then lowercase for the drink. So the type and the subcategory is beer. And let's make that active, and then we'll save it. Excellent. So now we need to add a couple of options. So all great beers come in half pints. And we'll add that for £2. £2. We'll make that option active. Good but cheap. Great beer for half pint. And then a pint. Let's keep that as an incrementer. And we'll put that at £4 because that just makes sense. And we'll make that active and we'll hit save. Awesome. So now we've got that in there and they are all active. So now if we go back to the business, the customer view and hit refresh, here it is. We've got this great beer and it comes in pints and it comes in half pints. So great, so now I'm a customer and I want to get a half pint of that great beer and I also want 2 pints of Strongbow and I would like a glass of you know what, let's make it a bottle. We'll make it a bottle of the house red. Excellent. So we see we've got 3 unique products in our basket. We click that and that shows us what we want. Right, that looks perfect. I want to place my order. Select my table number. We are at table 29, let's say. And let's confirm that order. Great stuff. So our order's been accepted. So now we are the server. So realistically, that should appear right here. So we can see we've got a couple of orders here. We've got ones that were 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. We can have a look at those. Great. We can see we've got a great beer there. We've got Strongbow pints at volume 2, all that sort of stuff, and we've got the amount to pay. I envisage this being used on an iPad or even it will work quite well, particularly in locked orientation mode, or not on an iPhone or any other device. It's just browser driven, so servers can go around and then take payment on card or in cash through that. Naturally, card is a little bit more COVID-19 compliant. Great, so let's say that we are working on this order for table 40 and we're working on this. So this just gives you the bar staff an opportunity to go, don't worry, I'm working on this, don't get confused and start making the same things twice. But then once we've delivered that and we've received payment, we can click delivered and it disappears, it's gone. Same for this one. And then we'll get to work on this one. Just sold this, we've delivered it to the customer and it's gone, but we've realised that this is the last bottle of house red wine that we have. So what we can do is dive back onto the admin page, go up here, into products. Then what we can do is we can go down to the house red wine here and we get the option to either delete it, like we're never going to get that bottle ever again, or we can deactivate it and then hit save. That's saved now. So now if we move back to go on to here and then click refresh, then we can go to the house red wine and we can see that that is now sold out. So this is good particularly for restaurants of people that have regular customers. Say you have someone that comes in for fish and chips, large fish and chips every day. Every day, that'd be great, fish and chips every day, once a week, and they always want it. It shows that you do still sell it, but it's currently sold out and it will be back in stock soon. So the other thing that you can do on here is within the admin page there is the option for setting tables. So say that you have in this restaurant and bar we are lucky enough to have 50 tables on here, but say that you want to join two tables. Let's say that we want to join the 49 with 50 there, or we've got a big party coming in and we want to join the table 48, 49 and 50, and we don't want them ordering from all those separate tables. What we can do is we can deactivate those tables and then we say unlucky 13 is back. We do all that, we hit save, and that's that. So now if we were going to the customer view and here, and we are trying to order 3 half pints, not sure why you would, of Strongbow, and there we can go onto here and we can see that these tables now are unavailable. They can't be chosen, but table 13 now can. So that's the idea. Great, so that's it guys. This is the bar app. As I say, the description is in the link to it is in the description. Any questions, any comments, any information you want to provide at all, just get in touch. Thanks.